I will talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your CallApp. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, just go here, you go above this your photo profile, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, just go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on customization here, just click on it. Then you come to next step here. So then all you have to do, just come here to display covers on overlays, click in this sign. So like you see this color show for us, that's main display covers on overlays enable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. So thank you for your watching.